Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook the perfect egg for your burger. A fried egg with a luscious, runny yolk and delightfully crispy edges can truly elevate your burger experience. We will cover everything from selecting the right egg to mastering the cooking techniques, ensuring your burger is topped with a golden, flavorful addition. Get ready to transform your homemade burgers into gourmet masterpieces with this simple yet impactful ingredient. To begin, heat about 1 tablespoon of butter or your preferred cooking oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the fat is shimmering, gently crack your egg directly into the pan, being careful not to break that precious yolk. Let it cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. You want the egg whites to be fully set and opaque, but the yolk should still be beautifully soft and runny. Finish by adding a sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper. For those coveted crispy edges, you have a couple of excellent options. You can continuously spoon the hot butter or oil from the pan over the egg whites as it cooks, which helps them crisp up beautifully. Another effective method is to cover the pan with a lid for about 30 seconds during the last stage of cooking. This creates steam that gently cooks the top of the egg, ensuring the whites are set while keeping the yolk perfectly runny. Both methods deliver fantastic results. Once your egg is cooked to perfection, carefully slide it from the pan directly onto your burger patty. The magic happens when you take that first bite and the warm, golden yolk bursts, creating a rich, natural sauce that coats your burger. This simple addition transforms an ordinary burger into an extraordinary culinary experience. Serve it immediately and prepare to enjoy a truly delicious and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.